Kids, today our topic is letter M. M. M sound is M. M. What is this? This is mango. Mango. Do you know? Mango is the king of all fruits. M. Mango. Mango. What is this? This is moon. Moon. M. Moon. Moon. Next, what is this? This is mug. 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 What is this? This is mirror. 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 Next, what is this? This is milk. 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 What is this? This is melon. 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 Next, what is this? This is mat. 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 Next, what is this? This is mop. 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 What is this? This is mouse. Mouse. Mouse.